Mwaziri w'echisemi Julius Migosi Ogamba nigo akwanira umukia wa serikali gukini birengo by'echisemi asense ya Kenya anene mona somorobilyo OCBC egatia yanda mange Migosi niga yakwana yo chingaki ere amona babwatani bande b'echisemi bekirana ase skuru y'abanyaruka ya Nyabururu ase uguchengera lituko lya masomo mulikito Eric Bosire tigatuchagelera botirwa senchira yobwagale.
Omowaziri bw'echisemi asense ya Kenya Julius Migosi Ogamba lero nigabo mogeni bw'esiko ase skuru y'abanyaruka ya Nyabururu anene mono asumo yegabo gochengera abaroki bakora buyaso amatemo manene ya KCSE yo mwaka eta nabo igo emerobelyo ao ya masomo asanyarire ko bakagukwanira amachibu y'amatemo yo mwaka eta asate buri mnekyombekelia gya KUSIPS nigo gya chakiro morobelyo boko bekazi University abaroki goli banyora AC+ kogendera asibaboli kubanyara ko bakwelikia sobwango mono elikwenyorera amabaga ase University
Last year's KCSE candidates who qualified for university admissions to apply for courses and for programs in the universities. Starting yesterday, March 28, 2025, the Kenya Universities and Colleges Central Placement Service, otherwise known as KUPS, opened its portal for eligible 2024 KCSE candidates who scored C+ and above to apply for placement to universities of their choice for the academic year 2025-2026.
Omosiko Ogamba ndiganyara ko bakagukwanira engana ya bwangoiga maega yogo tuguterware egetambokero kyekigambero gotene omorobelyo University Funding Model nagote abuna ndigabona aboroki obarasi University baragendere kwelikia somorobelyo yo elikonyora obokonyi kurwa serikali kolengana mono kogania ku morokiwa.
I'm happy to announce that the Court of Appeal this week gave the government a stay order in the earlier High Court case that had declared the higher education student-centered model unconstitutional. This means that we will now continue implementing the model until the case in the High Court, the Court of Appeal is heard and determined. Consequently, I wish to announce that the Higher Education Loans Board and the Universities Fund will immediately open their portal to allow first and second year students wishing to make appeals for loans and scholarships under the student-centered model to do so.
Omosike Migosi niganyara ko bagakubolia abanasiasa korabeka siasa cyabensemo nagosira serikali ya Kenya kwanza sikelibuna nigeganirwa ikirania emerobelyo yamagendero anema no kurwa sekta ya masomo yakogera kelia goteba bunani go mwaka bw'ekiri bubere na 2025 otaraikirana.
We have in this administration 4 trillion that we need to get, correct? Is it wise for us to start campaigning now instead of dealing with the 4 trillion? What would you rather do? Campaign or development? Development. I just give you a small advice. Let us concentrate on development. The time for campaigning will.
Mosiko Ogamba nigasingerera gote abune wizara HSM nigebege tomokia asoko lya enibo kurwa serikali enene nebyombe eligokini nagosira amasomo asense ya Kenya kolengana nokonyara kwabo.
Article 53 requires to give you free education, basic education with all the facilities. Article 53 of the Constitution. Article 129 of the Constitution tells us that every decision we make must be a decision for the benefit of the people that you are leading. When you're in the executive, every decision you make, when you wake up in the morning, the decision you make must be for the benefit of the people you're working for. So for me, every decision I make must be for the benefit of the students, must be for the benefit of the teachers.
Nonyena babara ibanyara ko bagwikirana somo yigoyo gati abo mubunge okitutu cyache South Mosque Anthony Kibagendi niganyarire ko bagakubolie Migosi anyare ko bagagwikiyoroboti asomura ibwensi ya Kenya kubwatikanamo namakongo ayogendera tokonyora babwatani b'ekisemi gati abo aborokia.
Lakini kitu ambacho ningependa kukuomba wewe na ST wetu tafadhali, nyinyi ST hapo kama kwa ofisi ya Chief Advisor to the President na wewe unafanya Ministry of Education, tunaomba hivi, hao walimu umeona wamesimama hapa, everybody in Kenya with a pay slip is so strained. Kwa hivyo mkizungumza na rais mwambie apunguze hizo taxes ambazo ameimpose kwa hao watu, ndio watu waweze kubaki na kitu.
Eric Bosire, Etaya TV.